Okay, problem 894, you're given a 6-degree polynomial. There's certainly 6 roots to that, and it goes on to say find the value of this over here. So just to go through what we did at the whiteboard, as we worked through the problem, I didn't think it was easy, but we did get through it, and then we got the value of this over here, all right? So what I want to do is just go to Sage. I'm going to clear the screen, and what I want to do is type in the code over here. Just a way to check. It's a good idea to use software to check what you think is true. So reset, define x as a variable, and then let's see what we got over here. S is going to be a solution over here, so S equals, and that's going to be solve, S-O-L-V-E, and we're going to solve an equation, x to the 7th power, when that equals 1 for x. All right, now if you display S, you're going to get this over here. Let's just count the roots up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, as expected, all right? Now granted, someone says, why are you doing that? Well, back over the notes over here, we arrived at this here, right? So this is what I'm saying over here. Now if you want, you can go through what I did at the whiteboard again to verify that, all right? I'm not verifying, I'm just verifying that x is 7th. We're at that juncture right here. And then I want to do is, I know what x is. I'm going to define f of x. This is what they're asking for. So f of x is going to be assigned x plus x squared. And I'll go back over the notes and show where that is, x to the 4th. Okay, let me go back over this. And this is what they're asking for, the value of this. All right, so what I'm going to do now is write this down. So what are we going to write down? Boolean. I'm going to copy paste it and just read it to you. And certainly I'll go through them all. Actually, I shouldn't go through. I'll go through this. That says it's true. Now, what did I just do? I accessed the solution for S. And I said S1, right-hand side. All right? I want to tell you what S1 is, though. This is S1 over here. Right-hand side. That's what that is. All right? And the question is, does it equal what I said it's going to be equal, which is this over here? All right? Now, granted, there's a plus or minus over there, and I'm typing this in here. All right? So that's true. And I'm sorry, that was S0. I'm sorry, I misspoke over there. That's S0. S0 is, whoops, let me go back over that. S0 is the first one. And then you do S1, and you can go through each one separately if you want. I know it's a lot of work. Let me just do S of 6. Oops. Because notice that's written down there. Yeah, just saying the one part there, all right? I think we're good to go. We've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You know what, let me just pull this up here. Put 6 in. It says it's false. Let me just go back over here. It says it's false, all right? Remember what S6 was, it's 1. It's these solutions over here that I'm checking. All right, thank you.